Arthritis is a common condition that affects millions of people worldwide. While there is no cure for arthritis, there are things you can do to manage your symptoms and improve your quality of life.
One of these things is to incorporate anti-inflammatory foods and drinks into your diet. In this video, we'll explore some delicious and nutritious drink options that can help ease arthritis symptoms. Oh, make a delicious ginger and turmeric tea. Simply steep fresh ginger and turmeric root in hot water, and add a touch of honey for sweetness. This warming and comforting drink is perfect for chilly days, and can help reduce inflammation in the body. To make a delicious and nutritious berry smoothie, simply blend together your favorite berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, with some almond milk, a banana, and a handful of spinach. To make a delicious cup of green tea, simply steep a green tea bag in hot water, and add a touch of honey for sweetness. This refreshing and healthy drink is a great way to reduce inflammation in the body. To make a delicious and nutritious pineapple and turmeric smoothie, simply blend together fresh pineapple, turmeric root, ginger root, and coconut milk. This tropical and flavorful smoothie is perfect for warm days and can help reduce inflammation in the body. Remember, incorporating anti-inflammatory foods and drinks into your diet is just one way to manage arthritis symptoms.